Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Talk About Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 各位聽眾朋友，大家好，我係阿比內 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and Leo is here to teach us another great proverb I know. 所以呢，又要展示我们的一些學問了，好不好？
沒問題，沒問題。
今天
先來教這一句哈，這句叫做那愛學門好，
那愛學門好，
必得滿三路，
必得滿三路。Let's break it down for you. 好，先從第一句好了。
好，那愛學門好就是若要學問好。
OK， 還真的很有學問的一句咯，一開頭就這麼有學問。Okay, this is going to be a very informative and educational proverb because it starts off with, if you want to learn something well, okay, 就是如果要學問好的話，
那就必得滿三路。
三個老人就對了。
不是，
三個有知識的人啊。
也不完全是。
老師的老。
對，老師的老。其實這三老呢，就是有老人家、老生人、老經驗的人。
Oh, you know the word 老, which is old in Chinese, it actually refers to a lot of wise people, people with experience. The first kind of old people are actually old people, 也就是真的老年人。
老年人。
怎麼說？
老人家。
老人家。
我就老年人。
And the second one, 第二個是老實人嘛。
超噶。
怎麼說？
老生人。
老生人 ，OK， 這個就跟老比較老經驗沒有關係啦。
但是老實人哈，你問他，他比較不會騙你，他會告訴你一個真正的答案。
It's interesting in the Chinese language, the word honest actually uses the word old as well, but it doesn't mean that that person is really old, but it means that person is really honest. And it's very important that you ask someone that's honest to keep you grounded, to give you really good advice, facts that are real. And then the third one, 最後一個就是老經驗的人。
老經驗的人。
老經驗的人。Okay, that means someone with a lot of experience. Okay, let's hear this entire explanation in English.
If you want to gain knowledge, you must ask three people. In this proverb, the Hakka people refer to three types of wise people in which you must seek knowledge from: the elderly, the honest, and the experienced. These people can expand your view, and you can learn new things from them. It's believed that with a vast amount of knowledge and experience, one can handle any situation.
And let's come back, have Leo repeat the line again.
那愛學門好，必得滿三路。
And there you go. Hope you wise up a little bit more with our We Love Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.